In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable blue lights on Android phone. If you want to reduce your eye fatigue, then you need to watch this video to the very end. If you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, first of all, you need to open your phone settings. Then once you are on your phone settings, you are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see display and brightness. Tap on it. Then under view mode, you are going to see eye comfort. Tap on it. Then now here is where you can enable blue light. So in order to enable blue light, you are just going to turn on that button. Then you can also filter the level. Then you can also go to schedule and open it. Then you can schedule when this blue light will work on your phone. So you can schedule it during the night. You can put it from 6 then until 7. Then you enable it. And that's simply how to enable blue lights on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.